In this series of videos, you'll learn how to make a simple fidget like this one. You can even customize it with your own initial. If you prefer following along step by step at your own pace, this tutorial is also available as a Google slideshow. The link to the Google slideshow is in the video description below. To start a new design in Tinkercad, click Create and click 3D Design. First, we'll change the name to something more personal and descriptive. Now we're going to create the base of the fidget. Drag a cylinder to the middle of the work plane. To make the cylinder smoother, move the side slider all the way to the right. Click on the top control square and change the height from 20 to 2. Now click on the work plane to deselect the shape. Click on the magnifying glass icon on the right and search for snap. Drag the red snap to the work plane. Don't use the purple snap. It doesn't have the same settings as the red snap has. Click on the work plane to deselect the shape and click and drag a selection box around both shapes to select them, and then click the align icon. Now click the middle dot as shown to align the shapes from side to side, and click the middle dot as shown to align the shapes front and back. Now click on the work plane to deselect the shapes, and click and drag the selection box to select both shapes. Click the group icon to combine both shapes into a single new shape, and click on the work plane to deselect that shape. You can click and drag the new shape to the side to move it out of the way, and then click on the work plane to deselect it. The base fidget is now complete. In the next video, we'll create the fidget gear.